Hello, my lovelies. I'm making a steampunk wreath, so come and join me. I'm going to start with an 18-inch wire wreath. They come rounded, but I want it to be more oval, so I'm going to give it a bit of a squash down as much as I can. And then I'm going to use a polystyrene wreath over the top. But because this also comes round, I'm going to have to cut it into sections so that it fits the oval. It's like this. And then I'm going to glue them all on. So let me do that quickly and I'll come back when I'm finished. Now that's all secure with the glue. Because it's not going to hold, I'm going to actually use some zip ties. Now, as any crafter knows, you cannot have enough zip ties in your craft box. So I'm going to zip tie each individual one just to make sure that it's not going to move. Because what you don't want is when you have built all your lovely wreath, they do get quite heavy. And the last thing you want to do is for it to be all ended up on the floor because the whole thing's just come apart. So we zip tie them together as we have, and we will cut off the excess, and then we've got a finished base. So my main greenery is going to be these Ficus leaves that I have here. I've got a whole bunch of them because this will be the most of the infill. I start from the top, do the middles, bottom, and then I literally just go where it takes me. I don't have a rhyme of reason of where I put things. It's just a feeling of where I prefer. Let's see where it takes us. Now I've already attached my skull head temporarily with some zip ties, just purely for positioning. But I prefer to do it first and then I can actually make all my design around my centerpiece. If you're enjoying this video, click that subscribe button. I'd love it if you did. Okay. As I said earlier, didn't like the pampas grass, and I actually felt it needed a bow. So I had actually removed some of the flowers and I've added a bow here. So I've used, oh, there goes my dog. So this is just, again, you know, sort of reds and oranges, just to sort of tie in with my wreath here. I'm attaching the ribbon with florist wire. Oh, there goes dog number 2. This is going to a really good home, so I'm hoping that she's going to love this. I mean, I am in love with it, even just making it. And here he is, all signed, sealed, and delivered. She absolutely loved it. She even gave him a name. He's now called Cecil the Steampunk Skeleton. Thanks for watching, and I hope you join me again soon.